Kanji number 70. So here for the case of circle, or in Japanese yen. So kanji here, the stroke, first vertical one, second that one, and later that one. Again these. This is the stroke of that kanji, and here the sound of that kanji n. So roughly here. So Japanese yen. So Japanese coin, that means Japanese yen. So here what? The 1000 yen, 1000 yen in Japanese yen. 1000. Sen means 1000. Yen means, so in Japanese, money. So here sen, first one, second and third. And we know also the yen. So here, so sen yen, 1000 yen, sen yen. Here, n Dhaka, a high yen rate. High yen rate, so n Dhaka, so here n, and Dhaka here, Dhaka, n Dhaka, a high yen rate, n Dhaka. So here n o kaku, draw a circle, n o kaku. So no kaku, so here is n, no, this is the hiragana, no kaku, so draw a circle, no kaku, draw a circle.